Hi, my name is Sophia McGee. My final project is called UX Exploration of Music Playing Progressive Web Application. The commercial name of my application is Retro Revival. The application is a React music app with impressive features such as API integration from Shazam Core API along with visual appealing design using Tailwind CSS. It also has an authentication process, favorite song page, multiple song lists, artist pages, lyrics page. It has been deployed on Vercel for the front end and Render on the back end. As you can see from the screen here, this is my sign up screen. I had originally created this in my designs here. So this would lead to login page. This was just a rough kind of design. So when you log in, it should look something like this. So I'm already a member, so we'll skip this process here. And I made a previous merge, so I will sign in here. Just takes a second, and we're logged in. So we're going to say never. Okay, so on this page, as I said, it should have looked similar to this. I think I've improved it because Tailwind has very nice components that you can use. So the Discover page has a drop down that I created that you can go through a list of genres that you can get from the API. So initially I wanted to be able to change this whole screen to be the same color when it changed genre, but then I realized that the components were all different and it would be very complex to make it all change. So for example, this is what I had in my design. So all of this would change. That would have been a stretch goal to work that one out. But overall, I'm very happy with the design. Then I created a page around you, which is a page that it finds music that's very popular in your country, which is Ireland, as you can see here. Then I have an option for top artists, and if you click into one of these, it has their popular songs that you can go through. And then top charts, you can pick one of, top charts, you can pick this one, and it will give you the lyrics of the song that you want to listen to. There is an option to play. Let's go see. There's an option to play music. If you can hear this, I don't know. So that plays the song there. That's just Flowers has option here as well. These are just two players that I created. This one we won't blast that too much. Then I have favorites. So I already have two here, but I can go and I can add another favorite, and that should have been added to the list here, and I can remove her as well. So that is, so I also have an option for search. So if I wanted to search, I have Paramore there. So if I wanted to search, I don't know, Pink Floyd, if I can spell it right, I'll go Pink, see if they come up. Yeah, so we have a list of Pink Floyd there. So my search feature works. So these were just alternative ways to get to your top artists and your top charts here. Overall, I'm happy with how it turned out. This was my design here. So I had top artists. I didn't go with this after because I just kept them where they were to the side here. And yeah, so that's kind of how it turned out. And then I wanted to do a pop-up. I don't know if that will work there. I wanted to do a pop-up one like this, but I never got around to doing it. And then log out. So I was successful in log out. So that was the logout successful. So that concludes my demo. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.